Hi guys, welcome to another video, and today's video is going to be different because I'm going to edit an image to use it as my mobile wallpaper. In today's video, I'm not going to edit any image to make it more appealing or more colorful, but I'm going to create an art which is not bounded by any editing principles. The only thing I'll be using is my creativity. So with that said, let's roll the intro. So today I'll be editing this image in my mobile using Adobe Lightroom. By the way, I've shot this image from my mobile, that is Samsung Galaxy M31, when I was in Hyderabad last year in the month of September. Okay guys, we have this beautiful image with us. If anyone recognizes this is the Char Minar of Hyderabad. So I'm going to convert this into a mobile wallpaper. So first of all, I'll crop it to 9:16 ratio so that it fits my mobile. So I'll just go here and I'll just crop it, and here. So we already have this aspect ratio. I see that this Charminar is tilted to the left hand side, so I'll just click here and I'll just adjust the angle. I think this is looking good. This is perfect. Okay. So now, first of all, I'm totally going to make it dark. I'll go to Basics tab. I'll increase the contrast over here. So I'll reduce the shadows. I'll reduce the whites in this image. I'll also reduce the blacks so that it just gives me this texture. And I'll increase this contrast all the way to the right. And if you remember what I said, this is an art and we are not bounded by any editing principles, so don't worry, it is our creativity which should reflect in this image. And now we'll go here, and what I'll be doing is I'll desaturate each and every color in this image. Orange, yellow. Don't worry, I'll be adding yellow color later on. I'll desaturate all other colors. And this is pink. So I'll add yellow color now. Okay. This thing is looking good. Not too much, but I'll keep it at around 55. Minus 55 looks great. And I'll click here done. And I'll not touch any other thing. I'll go here. I'll increase the texture all the way to 100. Then I'll just try to increase the clarity and see what difference it makes. Oh, it is adding more texture to it. This is looking good. Let's see what dehaze does. Dehaze is also adding up to the saturation of this image. I'll keep it at 30. Okay, 30 is looking great. So I think in this image I shouldn't be adding vignette. There are people over here and I want that texture to be there in this image because it is looking great right now and there is no use of adding vignette first of all. But before saving this image to our device, what I'll do is I'll play with the curves. So now I'll take this point and I'll just pull it up, and now I'll make a point over here and then I'll drag it down. Okay, and I'll make a point over here and I'll just pull it up. Now look at this image. So great it is looking. And now I'll be saving this to my device. Okay, so it has got saved. Now let's check how does it look as my wallpaper. I'll just go here and now wallpapers and gallery. Now again. Okay, so this done. Now just take a look at this image. It is looking so beautiful. Just look at this image. It is looking so great. So guys, thank you for watching this full video. I have recently started this YouTube channel where I am planning to post videos related to photography and videography. My upcoming videos will be tutorial videos on editing photos in Adobe Lightroom Classic. You can also forward me any photos on Instagram which you want me to edit and make a video on it. So I request you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. Also, like, comment and share my videos with your friends. So I'll see you in my next video. Until then, goodbye, take care.